Hi everyone, this is Raghavashini and today we are going to see about encoder and decoder experiment. Now let us know about encoder. What is encoder? And here is the combinational design procedure of encoder. Digital encoders produce outputs of 2-bit, 3-bit or 4-bit codes depending upon the numbers of data input lines. And 4-bit binary encoder has 2 input lines and n-bit output lines with COM types that include 4 to 2, 8 to 3 and 16 to 4 line configurations. The output line of a digital encoder generate the binary equivalent of the input lines whose value is equal to 1 and are available to encode either a decimal or hexadecimal input pattern to typically a binary or BCD. Here is the block diagram. Objective of an encoder. An encoder has 2 n input lines and n output lines. In encoder, the output line generates the binary code corresponding to the input value. In octal to binary encoder, it has 8 inputs, 1 of each octal digit and 3 outputs that generate the corresponding binary code. Input variables y1, y2, y3, y5, y6 and y7. Output variables are a2, a1 and a0. And here is the truth table of encoder. And now let's see about decoder. And this is the combinational design procedure of decoder. Determine required numbers of inputs and outputs from the specifications. Derive the truth table for each of the output based on their relationship to the input. Simplify the Boolean expression for each output using Karnaugh maps or Boolean algebra. Karnaugh maps is nothing but it's a K-map. Draw a logic diagram that represents the specified Boolean expression. Verify the design by analyzing or simulating the circuit. And here is the block diagram of the decoder. And the objective of decoder is, a decoder is a multiple input, multiple output logic circuit which converts coded input into coded output, where input and output codes are different. The input code generally has fewer bits than the output code. Each input code word produces a different output code word, that is, there is 1-to-1 mapping, can be expressed in the truth table. And here is the truth table of the decoder and the circuit design. Thanks for watching my video. Now I'll do the experiment in online in a website called logical.ly. Now in this video, let's see about how we do decoder in online.